Biden's ambitious plan will take time. The cornerstone of President Joe Biden's new COVID-19 strategy plan rests on using the Defense Production Act to strengthen the supply chain and make vaccines, but experts say the plan will need time. Biden unveiled many points of his strategy that will use the Defense Production Act to get the raw materials needed and support expanding capacity to make lipid nanoparticles, a crucial and complex part of both the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines. Biden's plan, which he called a wartime undertaking, is unique in the annals of U.S. medical history. In a 198-page comprehensive national strategy to address the pandemic, he calls for improved vaccine distribution, enhanced testing and broader use of masks, including new requirements in airports and many trains, airplanes and buses. It comes at a time when the nation needs solutions for stopping, even slowing, the coronavirus. The U.S. passed 410,000 deaths this week, and the push to inoculate Americans against the coronavirus is hitting a roadblock. A number of states are reporting they are running out of vaccine, and tens of thousands of people who managed to get appointments for a first dose are seeing them canceled. Over the past few days, authorities in California, Ohio, West Virginia, Florida and Hawaii warned that their supplies were running out. New York City began canceling or postponing shots or stopped making new appointments because of the shortages. Dr. Anthony Fauci said Friday on CNN that the lack of candor and facts around the U.S. pandemic's response over the last year very likely did cost lives. Asked about his experience working on the pandemic response for two different administrations, Fauci also said being able to share science was liberating. Fauci said he did not enjoy having to correct information provided by former President Donald Trump during briefings. January is already the second deadliest month during the pandemic for the United States, with 64,147 deaths reported so far. The country has averaged about 3,055 deaths per day so far this month, a daily toll worse than the human cost of the 9/11 attacks. On this pace, by Tuesday, January will have become the deadliest month so far of the pandemic. President Joe Biden on Friday is set to sign two executive orders that will give low-income families easier access to federal nutrition and food assistance programs and start the process for requiring federal contractors to pay their workers a minimum wage of $15 per hour and give them emergency paid leave. The actions are part of Biden's efforts to provide economic relief to Americans still reeling from the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. The U.S. has more than 24.6 million confirmed coronavirus cases and more than 410,000 deaths. The global totals, more than 97.6 million cases and 2 million deaths. You should wear a mask, even if you do not feel sick. This is because several studies have found that people with COVID-19 who never develop symptoms, asymptomatic, and those who are not yet showing symptoms, pre-symptomatic, can still spread the virus to other people. Wearing a mask helps protect those around you, in case you are infected but not showing symptoms. Stay safe and have a great day.